Let's do something fun today and hook up a Atari 2600. I've already hooked up my VCR to the TV using the red, white, and yellow RCA cables. If you have a RF to RCA switch like this one, plug the RCA cable into the switch and then the coaxial cable into the coaxial input of your VCR, or you can plug it directly into your TV where your cable or antenna goes. But remember, your TV has to be able to scan for analog channels in order to work. Now let's turn on the 2600 and see what the output looks like. Yeah, it's an old switch and you get a lot of interference. So the second way is using a RF to RCA adapter. It's much simpler. You don't need a switch. This can go directly into your VCR or your TV. The picture is actually better than using a switch. That's what it looks like. Let's turn it on again. Now let's play some Breakout. I'm really bad at this game. I was much better as a kid.